Welcome to our course, Doing Math in Python. And in this part of our course, we're going to know how to solve quadratic equations using Python. Before we dive into the use of Python, let's first understand a little bit about the equation of a quadratic equation. So we have this ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is the equation of the quadratic equation. In this case, what we're going to do is that we're going to solve for the roots of this equation. When we already have the roots, which simply mean the x in this case, then we will be able to get the value of the expression just by plugging in the value of x. In Python, we use the solve function from this library, simpy, and again, this one finds the roots without being needing to write out the formulas. So first, we're going to import these packages. We have solve and symbol from simpy. And let me share with you again on what symbol is. So symbol makes this x, this one, a variable in a certain expression. And when this variable is already integrated into the expression using this function symbol, then this can be mathematically manipulated by Python. We have here a variable, which is the name of this expression, x squared plus 5x plus 4. And then we have a solve, then we call this expr in this argument, and then dictionary is equal to 2. So why we have here dictionary? The reason for that is we're going to have two values of x in this case. So remember that we have here x squared, so that means we will have two values of x here, and that x1 is equal to a certain value, and x2 would be equal to a certain value. Now, let's execute this one. Okay, so we have here x is equal to -4 and x is equal to -1. So this would be the two values of x. So we're going to try other things. So let's just copy this one and let's try what if we're going to make some tweaks on this expression. So we say we have so, x cubed in this case, just for example. Then how many expressions, I mean roots, would there be in this expression? So let's execute this. Okay, so we have this number of roots. So we have here, okay, so 1, 2, 3. So again, we have here a cube root. So it's expected that we are going to have 3. Not only that, we will be having more also. So all of these things, these numbers represent the roots of this expression. Do you want to know more about this channel? Just click these cards. We do have a lot of free data science courses for free, like Machine Learning Essentials, Deep Learning Mathematics, and a lot more. Here, you can always learn an upskill for free.